I hear the ice cream truck somewhere, but it's not coming. I don't hear it. Guys, I don't hear it. I don't hear it anymore. Guys, let's go look at mine. Go to my house! Go to my house! Guys, we're going to my house. I think it's there. And I hear it! We're getting closer. I hear it! Guys, we hear it! We hear it! Right, Aiden? Guys, we gotta find the ice cream truck. I think we can do it. Come on, guys, we're trying to find the ice cream truck. We heard it over here. Guys, shh. I hear something. This one's that way, I think. I think it's more over there. Put in the comments below if you can hear it. Yeah, comment down below. Like and subscribe if we can find the ice cream truck. We heard it. We have to go back, Aiden. I hear it better back there. I don't see it over there. Okay. I'm gonna go back this way. What? Okay. Are you sure? Okay. Let's go back. Oh, that's just not the ice cream truck. That's just a trash truck thingy. I don't know, whatever it is. Guys, we're getting closer. I hear it.